Hey everybody, how you going? Just that camera like normal. Hope you are all well and super. All right, let's go. Let's have a look at this market. I'm gonna start with Bitcoin. I'm just going through the watch list that I found in my Bybit scan, which I just did. Okay, let's have a look here. All right, Bitcoin. It's nice to see this volatility in the market. So like buying or selling, don't really care as a trader, but it's like to see. I like to see cyclicity. I like to see the market moving as one over all time frames, over everything. So it's not. I'd like to see this selling, and it's kind of happening across the broader market. It's not like disconnected, and it's good to see. It makes for good markets to trade. That's for sure. All right. So Bitcoin, look, we're going to test this resistance again. In my very humble opinion, which the market doesn't care about, the more we hang around down here on this level, and the more we touch this level, the weaker this level gets. Yeah. So there's nothing for us to trade here in Bitcoin. There really is not. Like we're just sideways here, and who knows what will happen when we test this level. Maybe we'll break it. Maybe the buyers will step in again. But till that happens, there's nothing there in Bitcoin. But there is, however, some stuff to watch. Starting with Tron. Okay. Oh, I think Tron's already broken. Yeah, so there was this 2-day cradle here with Tron. I quite like the look of it. On here on the daily as well, but that's broken. Come and look at the 4. Just checking the 8. We can take Tron out of the list. Now next, FTT. FTT is a good looking chart. You know, we have really nice trending markets here on the 4, like higher low, pushing up, pulling back into a level. It's pulling back into this level nicely. There's not. I don't know why I put this in the list either. Oh, there was a bullish candle here, but it was too big. So I really have to leave that. There's a real mixture of contracts to trade. Like there are a couple of longs. Hey Bobby, I'm good, thank you. How are you? I'm super. I'm so good. I love being able to trade. Like it's just nice. And I've had 2 good trades to start this year, so it's just setting a nice groundwork for everything. Yeah, FTT. Yeah, nothing there for us on FTT. It's just it's just starting to trend nicely. ETH in that daily cradle from there, going nicely, heading towards 1-to-1. Nothing to do there. Good, Bobby. Good to hear. Have a look at the 8, have a look at the 4, 30, 15. Nothing really there on ETH either. Although again, something to note on ETH is this monthly pullback. It is pulling back into this monthly cradle. Now, you know, we still could test 2,762 or that area, but it is pulling back into the monthly cradle zone. So it's something there. But I'll take ETH out of the list just because it's already, if anything was there, it's already triggered. Now, going on to Doge. Very sideways on this daily chart. Heard that Tesla is accepting Doge. Pretty funny. Yeah, this is a sideways chart. Like, I mean, you could draw a bit of a consolidation range there, but it's pretty rough. Now, I put Doge in for a reason. Okay. Let's zoom into these charts. Now, look, there's a level there on the bottom half of that range. I thought it was kind of cycling here on the 2, but it's not really. Let's see. I'm missing something. Yeah, there's nothing there for Doge. For us in Doge. Okay. Sand. All right. Sounds interesting. Sounds good. It's a good one to stalk. We have this level of resistance, which we can even extend out to here. just through here. A few tests, like it's a clear line of resistance. So we've now broken that level. Now, what am I looking for? I am looking for a cradle. I'd be looking for a cradle roughly off that level. So whether it's on the, okay, so the 30-minute, we'd be looking for a cradle off that level of 438 if we pull up into that. But going to the higher time frames, like the 4, there's just not much cyclicity there, is there? Yeah, it's in because it is a significant level. And if we saw this level break, again, this is a afternoon, Ash. The only trade I got on, which I'm not sure if I'm filled yet on, was CRV. So if there's anyone in this chat which isn't part of the community, we did a scan this morning. There are a few setups. Unfortunately, I missed the feels on the other ones. But oh, good. Did you guys end up getting any trades, Winston and Ash? So going on here on sand, on the 8. Yeah, so we've got the significant level broken. Okay, so if we see selling continue on sand, I want to see a retest of that level. That's why this is in the list, and present for a beautiful cradle. All right, FTM, different one. FTM bucking the trend a bit. 2-day, weekly. Let's see here. We have a nice trend here on the daily, but it's already triggered. I think that's why I put FTM in. Yeah, look, FTM's a good example of like, nice, Winston, very good. High, low, high, low. It's a bit of a funny trend. It's a blocky trend. I'll take FTM out. No longer current. Okay, now into LRC. Again, nice, beautiful flat level, guys. Like, ooh, if we see a pull up into that flat level, which we very well could after all this selling, get a nice bearish candle off that. Want to know about it. Want to know about it. But for now, it's a while off. There is some cyclicity coming in here on the 4. We've got a little bearish candle off that level of 1.1855. I want to know about that as well. 100%. Some very nice cyclicity coming in here. It's really nice to see some trending markets. Oh, it's so good. And all that patience we've waited for, it pays off. Now, flat level here in XTZ. Beautiful price building into this daily level. It's quite a big break there. If you know our breakout strategy, you can determine if that is a B's Winkle break or not. Let's have a look at that in the 2-day. Oh, looks a bit better on the 2-day. Anyway, there's definitely something happening there. Now to NEAR. I personally don't like it. It does match our rules though. There is a small bullish candle there on NEAR in the cradle zone. Now, it just looks a bit naked and alone there. I don't really like it. There's nothing really supporting it. So, but there's a trade there if you like it. Okay, Crow. Nice flat level here on Crow. Yeah, very nice flat level here on Crow. You can just see price building into that level. It's very good. So yeah, something there on Crow to monitor. And then back to Bitcoin. So Bitcoin. Why don't we just have a close look at Bitcoin before we end this scan? Because I love looking at charts. I can look at charts 24/7. All right. Let's just map out some possibilities here. Okay, so if we see a rally in price, I'd want to see price overtake this level of 40, break this level 45,612, and then we need to see it continue on. So the next level after that be probably around here at 53,728. 2 levels I think we need to break before we see mega selling to the upside. Now, if you imagine that as a range, we're in the lower end of that range. Now, if we break this level, I'm going to be buying, if we break that level, Louis will be buying a lot of crypto. A lot. We have this level here, and then the next level down from that, there's kind of like scattered levels of resistance. So we could have a look here. There might be some level there, but really we've got to, and there's some level through there. Like, there's a pretty clear run down to, oh, we've got 2 touches there. Okay, so there is some level here at 39,000. So if we break that 39,000 level, 2 touches classifies as resistance. We've got a pretty clear run to 35,000. If that happened, anything can happen. Market's allowed to do whatever it wants to do. So we're definitely applying some pressure on that level. So let's see how we go overnight. And as always, guys, safe trading. Keep your risk wind down, and take care. And talk to you soon. Take care, everyone.